Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by installing Google Maps and signing into your account. Make sure your iPhone is running a recent iOS. Once done, grant precise location permission and allow background app refresh so turn-by-turn works reliably. Next, open Settings and confirm Shortcuts is allowed to run. Now prepare to create a simple shortcut that opens Google Maps for directions. This is the actionable workaround because iOS won't let you replace Apple Maps globally, so you'll reroute Siri and Quick Actions instead. You now build the shortcut. Open Shortcuts, tap plus, and add a URL action using the Google Maps URL scheme. For example, Google Maps // Q equals 1600 plus amphitheater plus parkway. Then add an Open URLs action to launch that link. Tap play to test and adjust encoding if needed. Once the link reliably opens Google Maps to the right address, add the shortcut to your home screen and assign a clear Siri phrase like Navigate with Google. You finish by training yourself to use the shortcut, the home screen icon, or the share sheet when asking for directions. This effectively makes Google Maps your default workflow. If some links still open in Apple Maps, make sure the URL uses the Google Maps scheme and that Google Maps is installed. Reinstalling Google Maps often clears handler issues. If Siri won't run the shortcut, reset Shortcuts permissions, reboot, and sign out then back into Google. That one troubleshooting tip fixes most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.